Welcome, bestie.
Welcome, bestie.
Hi, guys. It's been a long time. I've not picked this camera up for 6 days or thereabout, and that's because I have been tired. I've been working. I've been exhausted, and I haven't had the time to do anything. So the last time you guys saw me was when my best friend's mom came. But now she has left. I didn't vlog that. She left yesterday and she's home now. She's safe. But today is Sunday and I want to make coconut rice. So you guys are coming along with me today. So let's go. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please click on that like button. Click on the subscribe button. Yes, so that you help me so that we can get to 100 subscribers, okay, by the end of the year. Yes, so I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Hey, so guys, they just took the light right now. I am angry because everywhere is hot, but I'm not going to talk again. So this is like goodbye. I'll just show you how I make my coconut rice, low budget. Yes, coconut rice. So I will see you guys in my next video. Hey, video. Should I go?
You the king, Burger King, with a bad little mommies. You know I wanna rock your body. You know I wanna do some things and tear that pussy out the frame. We some top flow, penthouse, sweet type niggas. I am not a rapper, I'm a boom boom killer. Slim, handsome, rich and this, she got this. She know we control them, yeah. She dancing, she wind it. She make me want give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, body. Oh, 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 oh.
Like she the way I jump for NYC. Big kid, she carry the best I see. Steady, ready, the assassin. Sweet in my belly, you like cake, guys. Something jelly. Eggplant emoji. So train when I slide it. Now she watching me like telly.
Sensational, sensational. Waiting I do for you, girl.
I can't say